Hello and welcome to the Craft Bar. Thanks for joining us here at Happy Hour and happy St. Patrick's Day. This is a great craft that inspire you to make your own centerpiece. My mom made this by upcycling a silver pewter mug that I had marked to be given back to the Salvation Army. She was able to make this with several products from the Dollar Tree and then things she had around the house. She already had some cute paper, and this is a gnome with a 4-leaf clover, so very appropriate. She inked her edge, she Mod Podged it to the pewter mug, which is plain around the back, but, also it has a little bit of distressing because, again, this mug is pretty old. She used E6000 to adhere some ribbon that she already owned. It's very pretty. It's got two colors of green, a little bit of beadwork even, so there's like a shiny sequin in the center. I don't know if that'll display as well as I want it to, but very elaborate. She has it very smooth and tacked down. I can't really right there, just barely can see where the end begins and stops. So great job with getting it nice and firm and flat all the way around. To fill this up and get it to, she found these picks, right? She found these picks that are 3-leaf clovers. So there's a 4-leaf clover here, but these are just normal 3-leaf clovers. And she found these nice glittery picks that do not shed. I'm happy about that. They're not a big shedding glitter. At the Dollar Tree, along with this reindeer moss. And to fill this, she found a pool noodle, and she cut off a big chunk of that pool noodle, stuck it in there, and that is what's holding everything in place, which was cheaper than if she'd bought the foam blocks, because you would have needed several of those to get the height. And that pool noodle was a good trick she used. She found this floral, this paper floral with the berries at Hobby Lobby, and then tucked that in. So I think that is, happy when I see it. I'm already envisioning gold chocolate coins here for the pot of gold. Maybe I'm just thinking of chocolate. And you turn it around, it's also pretty. And then the final embellishment, she added a ribbon and tied it into a bow on the handle. So easy. She took about an afternoon to do that. I think maybe about 2 hours. And that allowed time for the drying and nice and slow. So she put that decoupage on and then waited a bit and then added in the top. So I hope you like it. I hope it inspires you. I hope you have a bit of luck coming your way. Thank you for watching. To get a project like this every week, like and subscribe for our happy hours. We also have long form videos, including brunches and short snippets for things like cubicle crafts. We'll see you again soon. Thanks.